you are going to be coming through the supply store, and this is what you're going to get. 2 small rectangles, so one of each color. You're going to pick one of these squares. It's your planet color, okay? So just pick one for your planet. Then you're going to choose one of these. It can be any color, but this is going to be the main color of your rocket. Okay, these are the warm colors, these are the cool colors. We're going to talk more about that in a minute. And you're going to need a placemat. You're going to take all these to your seat, and you're going to write your name on all of them, okay? After you've written your name and everybody at your table's written your name, you can bring these tubs up here out of the way, okay? Then you're going to make sure you put your smock on, and one person from each table is going to carry carefully with 2 hands their paint tray and put it in the middle, okay? Now, one by one, I'm going to call you guys up, one table by table, or however we do it, and you're going to do the background of our space, something that's going to look sort of like this. So you're going to get black, you're going to write on it with white your name, and then I'm going to show you what your options are over here. Okay, you want to, now if you were in space and you were flying really fast in a rocket, what would the stars look like? Blurs. Yes, like blurs. Okay, so there's a couple ways you can try it. If you want to come over here, you can. Except don't get too close because you don't have a smock on. Okay, so you can try sort of flinging it. You could try just see how it looks with flinging. It's not really that blurred. You could try making like this.
Shooting stars.
Yes, like shooting stars. I kind of like that. The thing I tried on this other paper, I don't know what you guys think about this. This, if you want to try this, it's using the broom. You have to really commit and just go for it, okay? So if you want to try that, you could try the broom. Then after that, if you want to use, I have this weird little sponge. You can use it in yellow or you can use it in white to make some stars and just stamp them around if you want. Okay? All right, you can pause that, kid. 2 palettes of paint. One is your cool colors and one is your warm colors. You have your Mr. Brush. There's one thing missing that we're not going to use this time. Mr. Brush is, what's missing?
Water.
Yeah, his bathtub is gone. We're not using a bathtub this time. But you are going to, these 2 guys, anything that you have that is a warm color, you're going to paint on it from the warm color palette. Anything that you have that is a cool color, you're going to paint on it from the cool color palette. Now, since it's going to be tempting to paint the whole entire thing, and if that happens, that's fine, but we're using colored paper, so it's cool if you can leave some paper showing through, because it adds another color that's not on here. Okay, so you're going to pick this. Some of these yellow oranges are left over from our mural, and they already have some paint on them. So if you want to start out with that, it just needs a little bit. I have neon and metallic paint. So actually I'll leave this here and I'll just put a few details on it. I just added a few little strips of gold, for that's going to be part of my flame of my rocket. Okay, and I'm just going to set it on my placemat. Then I'm going to use my placemat. Can you guys see this at all?
Yeah.
I'm going to use my placemat and I'm just going to wipe off the paint on there. Then I'm going to pick the other flame that I have and get some more things from the warm color palette. And if I'm done, I'm using pink, but I'm done, so I'm just going to wipe it on my placemat and go to the next color. Okay, you can brush with it. You guys can try these texture combs and slide that across here. Make some cool lines on your paper. This little guy is going to be your planet. So orange is a good one if you're wanting to go to Mars, I think. So that would be more warm colors. If you want to try kind of getting a larger blob of paint and sort of dipping it down on your paper, then you can use the texture combs and have more paint to move around on there. Okay, so you're going to layer a bunch of colors, use your texture combs, wipe your extra paint on your placemat. And then this one, what colors will I use? All these so far have been warm colors, but with purple, what colors do I use? Which
Cool.
Yeah, the cool colors. All right, you guys got it. So let me show you some ending ones that I worked on longer. I put some stripes on this planet. Cool planet. Here's another one. Layered a bunch, and then this rocket. I realized I was covering too much of my paper, and I tried to leave some green splotches.